Oh, I came in on fire in that last video, guys. Oh, yes, I did. But the reality about this, guys, before I unbox that, the reality about it is I want people to see that there's more to life than just what your values are, man. The true value of a human being comes in from in here, bro, from the heart. It comes in for what you portray as a person. You could have whatever you want in this life, whatever you want in this life. It doesn't matter if you've earned it. It's just the way that people utilize that to rub it in other people's faces. That's the part that bothers me. You can have whatever, man, while you stay humble to the game, bro, and you stay humble to this life. Who cares? Then of course you're gonna have haters. I have a gazillion haters. I'm not even gonna get into it. Everybody has haters. That's perfectly normal. But I'm not talking about that. To a hater, go send them to you know what already. Let's be realistic. But now, to people that haven't done absolutely nothing incorrectly to you, and people in this world that I have seen, bro, yo, nice shoes, yeah, bro. You know, and they rub it like they have this cocky attitude, like, yo, I'm the Mac Daddy Mac, and yeah, I don't know, man. Once again, guys, let's put it more into a positive note, even though I know I'm speaking something positive in this life and I want to let out or reel out a message to make society better in this life and try to have some type of unity in this planet when it's already going to hell. Let's be realistic about everything. And no, I'm not gonna get into details about those type of things because that's not my thing. If I could unify people in this community and whatever maybe it's in the future for me, besides what I do out in the streets and stuff like that, well, man, I'm all for it. But guys, back to an update, a hat update for the Brick by Bricks, guys. The hat update. I wasn't gonna do the clothing. You guys already probably saw a million already reviews about that. I'm just gonna bring an actual hat that I'm actually hoping, really hoping that is an exact match. And I have a feeling that it is. And this, I have to give credit to one of the people in the comments. He actually told me, go look for the Cinnabon, I think it is, or something like that. I think I have it wrong. I know it is what it is. I'll post it right there. Yes, so real big shout out to him. Thank you very much for giving me a shout out, because this is the way I found the hat. Let's check it out real quick. Let's get into it quick, fast, in a hurry. Yes, pretty big box here, guys. Once again, I got it from a reseller, but I actually got it at a very good price. No, I let it pay $130 or whatever the hell I paid for the Daybreak New York. No, this one, guys, I paid a little less, just a little less, but it don't matter, guys. I think it's well worth it, and they have other colorways, but I chose this one because I actually like the way, you know, it fills up the front. You'll see it. Why talk so much? You already know, one shot massive cleaver. Let's do this. Wagata, wagata, wagata. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do the wakata, guys. The wakata. Alright, let me cut this through the front. Let's do this right here. I don't even know if you guys can see this really good from... What's the point of that? Alright, here we go. Hey man, this is cool. What is this? The fancy turtle. Whenever I think of the Braves, I think how much my dad didn't like losing to Chipper Jones. Yeah, man, you know what? I really like this. This is really funny. And there it is. That's the person I actually bought it from. You know, once again, it's the first time I actually deal with them. And this is pretty damn cool, guys. They deserve a little shout out. There you go. So let's check this out. Very well packaged, very well taken care of. Yeah, just looking at it, it's identically the same. Yes, it is, guys. Yes, it is. Let's open this bad boy up. Quick, fast, and hurry. Look at this, guys. Oh! Wait, give me a second, guys. Excuse me about that, guys. Check this out, man. Check this out. I don't think you can come any closer than that. Burned orange. I know it's not exactly the same type of tint, but it's the closest to it. It has the red, like the red in the toe box and all that right here in the front. And it has white for the shoelaces. That this is where it's gonna get magical. That you guys have to check out this video at the end, guys. You have to check it out. I think I said it right there in the front before anything, so you guys can get a full exclusive. And the video angle is going to be a little bit different for the simple fact that I got to use it as a short also to help out the people. You got to help out the peeps, guys. Come on, you can't be selfish up in this joint. So there you guys have it. And yes, this is a Hat Club exclusive. That's the way I found it. I found it through a name that the gentleman gave me, Cinnabon or something like that. That's how I actually got to find it. I don't know the name of this. If you guys know it, comment below. But there it is. What do you guys think? The Atlanta Braves. Yes, A-Town in the house. I think it's perfect, guys. To me, it's perfect. I like it. I like it a lot. Even though I'm still going to rock the Daybreak New York Yankees. I'm definitely going to do that with these. But this one has more of the white, a little bit of red right here, and it's actually almost identically the same. And the orange is not as bright orange, and it's more of a dark, it's called burnt orange. That was the description of it. But anyways, guys, there you guys have it. Let me put this right here nice and beautiful. Wait. Yeah, Calvin Klein model? No, not gonna happen. I know, I'm screwed on that one. Stay for the lacing video, guys. You're gonna love this idea. I'm gonna be the first one over here. Maybe somebody else has done it, but I'll just take the claim, at least in YouTube. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace! So you want to lace the brick by bricks, huh? With the white laces. No half-ass on this one, guys. No half-ass. We're going to do this the right way. Come on, let's check it out. Well, obviously, YouTube fam, these laces got to go. But remember, we're going to do this the right way. And what are we going to use? Yes, right there. It's like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. You got to do it the right way, fam. You got to do real SB laces. Let's get to it right here. Remember, this is a BMX sneaker. You got to do it the right way. So let's take this crap off. Wait. I only got 3 minutes to do this, guys, so I gotta hurry it up. Jesus, I'm all over the place with this thing. Alright guys, here's the trick to it all. This is the way you make it look nice and puffy, nice and skateboarder style, BMX style. Check it out. You have to go through the outside, guys. You have to go through the outside. Leave it a little out. Go through the outside on this one. Remember I told you to just leave it a little out. Little old man trick right here, guys. They always end up even. Let's keep going. Here's a little tip, guys. Make sure you go through these 2 little lace holes right here by the top. Check it out. And now the last hole. Now that you got that, guys, you keep doing it all the way to the top. Let's fast forward this. Looking good so far, guys. Looking good. Well, we finally reached the top, guys. This is all up to you. Whatever you guys prefer. You could put it inside. It will not go anywhere. Me personally, I will show you what I'm going to do because I personally like the loose lacing in the top. I go right on the second little hole right here. And there you guys have it right there. Nice and loose lace in the top. They're not gonna go anywhere. Nice and snug. This is perfection. And yes, just in case anybody tells you SB laces don't go all the way to the top on the Jordan 4s, there they are right there, all the way to the second lid in the top. There you guys have it. Hopefully this helps, guys. Much love and respect. Peace.